Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Openbox macOS. So on the last video I left off where I had these links up here that I wanted to turn black because I had to change the color of the panels and everything. So I changed them back to the original color. So now I'm going to work on figuring out how to change these the text and all that. So I'm gonna do so that's gonna be change text color on Xfce Panel, and I found one right here, and it has a few options right here. So I tried a few of these, and there was one that actually did work. It's not those. It's this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this. Copy, and then I'm gonna open up File Manager, go into Configs, GTK 3.0, and in the settings.ini, I'm gonna open that with my text editor. And at the end of the file, I'm just gonna paste it in here. And right now, all the text codes are for white text. So to change it to black, I gotta do 000. I think just 000 will work, but it's 6 zeros just to make it more complete. So they're using the 6 text format. I'm gonna use 6 zeros. And that should be it. I'll click on save and get out of here. And then I believe it said to run this in the terminal, and I'll do that right now. Paste it in there, Xfce -panel -r. It's to restart the Xfce 4 panel. So I'll do that, and voila. Now I got the text in black. All right, and you see how that works? It's perfect. So now it all matches with everything I got. So it's getting better and better. All right. So now one of the next things I want to do is figure out when you click on the menu on iMac, what it actually looks like, what the menu looks like. I'm pretty sure it's just something that drops down here, but I don't know what it looks like. So open up the web browser again, and I'll just do a macOS menu. Go to images. Now right here is showing me here's one right here. All right, so just basic white. So I think I could do this with the rofi. So let me get into rofi and just mess with it a little bit. So first I'll go to open up the file manager. I'm gonna go over here. I believe it's user, share, rofi. Yep, it's right here. And under themes, let me see what's a good one. Well, let me get back over here and just play with them for first. So I'll do a rofi theme selector. So right now I believe it's this one. No, it's not. It's this one. It's this one. That one's almost there. Let me keep searching. And this one is what? Glove box common. That one looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go through all of them and see which one best fits, and then I'll start changing it up. This is float, paper float. Then we got one that says paper. That almost looks good too, but we'll just keep going. So I think the original one that I like, I think it's this one. Arc by Sergio Morales. I'll get Arc and then I'll mess with it. So Arc. Let me just Arc and sidebar. I'm going to copy these. Linux config, and where's rofi? Do I have a rofi in here? Looks like I don't, so Arc. I'm going to control Alt A. And I got to open this as root and change the file permissions. So Arc and sidebar. Properties, permission. Read and write. And open my config with gedit. And I'm going to select this one. So now when I click here, it's opening up from this location. All right, so I may have to remove the icons, but for right now, the only thing I want to copy from here is going to be this section right here. So I'm going to copy that. Come over here. I'm going to go back to my window. All right, the height, I'm just going to leave it at, I'm going to do 50%. And I believe I have to do some X offset. I'm gonna start off with 0 pixels, then I'll work my way up. And then Y offset. Let me start with 40 pixels, see what happens here. Save. Alright, so it opens up right here. Alright. I'm going to reduce it back just a little bit. 20. Alright. See what happens when I change here. Dope. Let's go 150. Okay. So I'm gonna change this back to 20, and this one I'm gonna go 120. Okay. If I go minus, see if that has an effect. And it does. Let me try 190. Getting closer. Let's try 240. All right, that's where I like it. Now, the width, let's go 40 pixels. Oh, that's way too small. Let's try 440 pixels. All right, smaller than that. 340. All right, I like that pretty much. I think I'm gonna have to change the text. So let me see if I can find a section for text. Well, let me go back to this and take a look at this first. So yeah, I gotta remove the icons. Well, let's look at Google. Rofi font configuration. I am trying to configure Rofi font. I haven't anything. So let me try this. I think I'm gonna have to edit it on my button itself. So let me download some fonts. I'll just try Roboto, see what happens. Go to home. Do I have a fonts folder? I do not, so I'll create one. Dot fonts and extract. Show the files because I need the Roboto black. All black. Let's see if that works. All right, it's not bad. And I'll go to my backgrounds. Let me go here first. So I gotta create a background, I see. Add. And the color is going to be transparent. I'll go to my button, select it. Alright, so go back to my backgrounds, border color, gotta make that transparent. Because right now I have a border around it. Apply, and fill color. When mouse is over, first I'm gonna set this to transparent. But when it's clicked, I want it to be blue. Oh, maybe when the mouse is over, we'll have it blue also. So kind of like that. Change all that to blue. All right. Click on OK. Done with that. Done with that. Done with that, done with that, done with that, done with that. Alrighty, so now when I open up the terminal, all my options up here, got the proper color set up. Yep, it all works. And when I click on the button, so I just left the icons because you know what, it's fine. It's fine. It doesn't really matter that much. All right. So I got my panel. This damn thing. Got my panel pretty much straightened out and set up the way I like it. I got my dock set up the way I need it to be set. Oh, one more thing. All right. So another thing I'm gonna do is just remove all the decorations around the windows. So I'm gonna edit this with Gedit. And this is in my rc.xml file inside of Openbox. So let me see. There's a couple things I want to do to it. Maximize is one of the options. So I want that to be true. And I think it's decor. But yeah, I'm looking for decor. Let's see what happens when I do this. Configure Openbox. And let's see what happens when I open up. Yeah, everything's disappeared as far as the borders, because I can control it all from here. Now I should change this, because let's say for instance if I'm open up Firefox and I download, the dialogue is going to be full screen. It's going to be maximized. So I'm going to change this to be for all my terminals. Right. And I'm going to copy this. And for my file manager, let's see, edit. What's another program I'm always using? Anything with box on it. I'm just adding these, because I'm gonna add those. I'm gonna test all, let's say, like maps and all that. So I'll just go ahead and save. Close this. Close this, and I'm gonna do a quick. See how right now everything opens up maximize, but I'm gonna reboot real quick, and once I do that, it should all be fixed. All right, it's a gnome window, so it has these buttons right here. All right, so that's maps. Let's see, when I open up Firefox, well, Firefox, it does have the windows. That's because I don't have Firefox added onto the thing. Duh. All right, go to config, Openbox, RC, edit it again, and this time I'll add Firefox. Let me see, just to make sure, yep, I did not add Firefox. All right. Firefox. Let's close this. Close down Firefox. Reconfigure. Openbox. Now let me open up Firefox again. All right, there you go. The buttons are gone. This is the way I like it. Like I said, I control my system right here. All with this. If I want to make it smaller, bigger, click it, make it down, make it big, and just get rid of it altogether. It's all controlled from right here. From the dock. That's the way I like to control it. On all of my systems, that's the way I have it set up. I don't even have a top bar. It's just my my panel on the bottom. I control everything in my panel. I don't like buttons on the windows. Just like to leave it blank like that. And I open it up, maximize, so we just fill up everything. Done with it, close it. Open up Firefox, opens up maximize. When I'm done with it, I can close it. Bam. Open up my file manager, boom, no buttons, nothing. And like I said, if I want to change anything, I could just come right here, resize it, make it bigger, click on it, everything, all my controls. All right, I think that's pretty much it for my theming tutorial to make your Openbox look like a macOS. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a lot more that can be done, but for me, this is, I'm good. I'm good right here. I'm settled. This is as good as I need it to be, and it's fine for me. I like it. I'm happy with it. Hey, what else could you want, right? That's gonna do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on, just doing a surface theme on Openbox using Tint 2, the Openbox window manager on Arch, just to make it look like a Mac. And pretty much got it all working pretty well. I like it. All right. So if there's something else you want to see me do, just leave a comment and let me know what it is you want me to do, and I'll see if I can do it. And like I said, this is from someone who's never even tried anything like this before. I'm just going on the fly. But then again, if you know how to use Google, pretty much the world's at your fingertips. You know what I mean? It's all about searching, just paying attention to what you're reading, and knowing the tricks on how to use these systems. Like I said, this is the Tint 2 panel. I still have the Tint 2 panel, and then I just disguised the Xfce 4 panel on top of it, and with the plugin, just, you know, making things happen. Got my menu all set up. Got my global menu on the panel. Like I said, whenever I open up an app now, I get the global menu right here for all my options. Can control it from there. It's perfect. Got the dock set up to expand or get smaller when I open up an app or close the app. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, you guys, please hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe for more great Linux content. And I'm out.